how to do the Metabolomix test from Genova Diagnostics. So of course, you'll always follow the instructions. Everything is completely clear. They tell you need to tell the gel brick to be frozen night before. So when you open the package, leave it as it is with this material. You only take the block and put it to the freezer, which I have done already. And then you will need the seal, you will have all the material. So if you are going to do any adds-on like a genetic testing and you will need blood, you have specific part, but it says it's an add-on blood spot. So you don't need to do it. It is in the package. So I am not going to do that one. Also, you will have the DHL International package, which is very easy because the only thing that you have to do is that you sign the invoices, 3 invoices, put them into this pouch, and on the top of it, you put inside this plastic pouch the code. This you keep, as it is written here, for the courier. So when you are dropping it off, this is what you will give to the courier, or he will only scan it. So this is the part. And then obviously you are going to follow the instructions. So you receive this. And what you have to remember, and some of my clients make a mistake, they forget to leave this absorbent pad inside. So this always needs to be inside. And this is a urinary test. So you definitely need to read the instructions, what you can and cannot eat, which is also written there. Everything is explained in a way. But you might be asking, so why do we do the metabolomic test? So let's have a look. What you will find out about yourself. So you will see what need for the antioxidant support you have. So antioxidants are catching the free radicals. Mitochondria function. Is there any reason why you feel tired and how you can improve the mitochondria, the energy powerhouse? What about omega-3 imbalance? You see, this example shows that the person is having more of the omega-6, which is inflammatory, than the omega-3. What about the toxic exposure and methylation imbalance? There are so many genetic snaps that are the culprits of why you are not breaking down the material. So this is what the test is also going to show you. And there are many adds-on. So when you actually look at this requisition form, you can choose if you want anything else. So for example, the toxic clearance or this